this is Hans, the Ramenator, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So, here. Now you know who I am. But anyways, yeah, I got something from Thailand today. And then I have show and tell, a little treat for you. So this is Yum Yum Tem Tem Tom Yum Moo Deng. Did I get that right? Yeah. Okay. And I looked it up and it sounds like Moo Deng is some kind of braised pork. Closest thing I got right now is chashu, so that's what I'm going to use. This was sent by the Yum Yum people. So thank you, Yum Yum people. There's the noodle block. Mostly seasoning and a little bit of busted up noodle. And I really appreciate it when companies do their cups like this. This is a plastic inside and then a cardboard outside. Because then I can take it off, do the scan, have it all done in the morning, and I don't have to do the scan later. And I hate extra stuff to do in post. So, anyways, let's pour water into here and give it 3 minutes. So we got dumped on with the snow, and it was a lot, and it's different than last snow. Last snow we got a lot of snow, but it got like ultra cold too, and it's not as ultra cold right now. It sounds like it will be though. It's gonna get like down to 18. I measured it was like this much snow, so I'm guessing that's maybe 5 inches. That's a lot of snow for Washington. And then I guess on Tuesday we're supposed to get smacked again with probably, I'm guessing, just about as much. So wacky. It's February, folks. I don't know why that's happening, but anyways, I have a fun thing for us to do while we wait for the noodles to cook. This is a Monopoly card from Safeway, which wasn't completely insane. Well, it was insane enough on the night before last when people were getting all the food that they didn't realize they needed. Yeah. So we could be an instant winner right now. You could be witnessing me winning like $250 million, which would be rad. But unfortunately, Shop Play Win. Go to shopplaywin.com and enter this long alphanumeric code. And then there's a bunch of little tickets. And then, ooh, I do win. I have a little picture of Spam that I can put in my wallet and carry with me anywhere. If I need to have the comfort of seeing Spam, got it right here. Yeah. What's this one going? Ooh, Quaker Oats. Those aren't instant oats, though. I mean, they're instant, but you have to measure them. I like little baggies. Pasty, I like little baggies. Okay. And another same thing. So when it gets excuse me, when it gets close to the end of the game at Safeway, they give you a board and stuff, and you can peel them off and lick and stick them, and it's just ridiculous. But when it gets close to the end, they'll give you like 100 cards, and at one point it was just like, it was like stressing us out. It's like, at some point I gotta peel all these cards and make sure that we didn't win. And that's kind of the whole thing, isn't it? You gotta make sure that you didn't win, because if you did win, you're gonna be pissed, but you would never know. So you gotta make sure you didn't win. Winner. Okay. Alright, let's put this bowl back here. I'm gonna give this a try. It looks interesting. First off, we got some little pork nuggety thing. I was getting an aroma of peanut when I was getting this ready. Broth? A little heat, a little lemongrassiness, but it's different, very different. It's like a minced pork tom yum, and it's good. I would say eat this. Absolutely. You should eat this. Putting some mung bean sprouts in here. I'm gonna leave them there for a second so they get kind of little, I don't know, blanched. The water's still hot. I'm gonna grab my beverage. I'm using a different chair today. It spins very nicely. This is actually from the kids' room. My wife has to work at home because it's like getting anywhere isn't that easy currently, but hopefully it will be soon. But yeah, so she set up a laptop and been able to work at home. It's pretty cool. Very chuggable. This is a Bang drink. A company that just makes drinks called Bang, and they're pretty good. Highly caffeinated. There's 300 milligrams of caffeine in each can. I feel like I'm talking a little quicker. Maybe. I don't know. But I'm not falling asleep. I think I got 3 hours of sleep last night. So, I got some, what do you call it, ready? That chashu. That's all I got. So let's bring the bowl back. I thought this would be a nice broad, shallow bowl for a cup style. And indeed, yeah, that works in there very nicely. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of, this time of year, I don't know, maybe it's just me. That's pretty dark. I really don't like it when onions are so dark. And I really wish I would have gotten some cilantro / coriander. Because I've got a big review that I gotta do that will have come out before this because I want to push it out quick. It could be monumental. It might not be. Who knows? But sometimes I'll push stuff ahead just because I can. All right. So that's some chashu pork on there. Oh. I don't think black sesame seeds will work. I'll have to use the normal kind. I found them. I'm thrilled. So here's our thrilling sesame seeds. I tried to find a guest for this show, but I couldn't. Maybe I'm doing another review right now after this. So here's some Japanese peppery. I think. Is it empty? It's pretty much empty. There. That is empty. That means I can take the lid off and put whatever I want in there. So let's crank up the tunes. And as you know, the new rule is the amount of rotations this gets. If it gets tons of them, that means I really like it. If it gets only a couple, And I'm going to be saying this less and less, so only the people that follow the show are just going to understand what's going on with, like, if I go like, eh, or like, ooh, you know? So, I was, what do they refer to that as? Channel lore. Yeah. Ridiculous. Anyway, let's find a better song. Oops. That wasn't the song I was looking for. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, well, hey, that's about that for this one. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.